Ever wonder why your iPhone's ringer volume suddenly drops when an important call comes in? Today, we're tackling that frustrating problem, ensuring you never miss a call because your phone decided to whisper first. Open your iPhone Settings app. Once in Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Within Sounds and Haptics, locate the Change with Buttons toggle if it's green, meaning it's on. Your physical volume buttons are controlling your ringer volume. This means if you reduce media volume using the side buttons, your ringer and alert volume might also be affected. Tap this toggle to switch it off, turning it gray. This action separates the ringer volume from your media volume, giving you independent control. With Change with Buttons off, you'll see the ringer and alerts volume slider. Adjust this slider to your desired loudness. This setting will now remain consistent, regardless of your media volume changes. For an extra layer of awareness, go back to Sounds and Haptics and ensure Vibrate on Ring is enabled. This way, even if you accidentally lower the ringer, you'll still feel the vibration. Now, your iPhone will ring at the volume you choose. Consistently, no more missed calls because of mystery volume drops. Stay connected and never miss an important moment again.